it is Sunday and today I wanted to film a day in my life because it's been so highly requested and I haven't filmed one in forever. I'm going to be showing you the detox water I've been drinking a lot, one of my go-to smoothie recipes in the morning. I'm also going to take you guys to work with me, and then JT and I, who's my boyfriend, are going to have a date night tonight, so I'm super excited for this video. It is about 9 a.m. I just woke up because I have work at 12. I pretty much work every single Sunday, but it's a really short shift. It's only 12 to 6, which is really nice, but it is time for breakfast. My tummy is rumbling and I gotta get going so I can get ready for work. So like I said, I got up around 9 a.m. today. Typically I'll get up between 7 and 9. 9 is a little bit more of me sleeping in, and then I will quick head to the kitchen and get started on my detox water. So I'm going to show you how I make this like detox water tea thing. Basically you're going to need half a lemon, and then you're also going to need 1 cup of water in any mug of your choice. Then you're going to want to cut your lemon, and I cut mine into fourths because it's a lot easier to squeeze into the water and like into the cup. So I also remove all the seeds because I don't like them floating around in my little detox tea. I think it's super like annoying. So I'll just go ahead and juice half a lemon into my water, and then I will pop it in the microwave for about 1 minute. So while my water and lemon is heating up in the microwave, I just went ahead and went outside and grabbed some spearmint right off the plant, but you can totally just buy this at the grocery store if you want. And then I grabbed my hot water and just dumped some of the leaves in there. I honestly don't measure it, I just stir and then drink. And then moving on, I'm going to show you guys my Tropical Fusion smoothie recipe. This is my favorite smoothie that I've been drinking all the time for breakfast right now. So you'll need 1 whole kiwi, juice from half a lemon, strawberries, and I always add this Hum Nutrition raw greens supplement. You totally don't need to add this, but I like to because it adds a lot of like chlorella, spirulina, and just other greens that you don't normally get with like day-to-day food. So I like to do that. Added a banana, squeezed half the lemon, put all the fruit in, and of course topped it off with some almond milk. Then you just blend and you can totally enjoy it. It's so freaking delicious, and the beauty supplement, like the raw supplement from Hum, has a pineapple and coconut flavor, and it really just adds something to the smoothie. So now I'm just sitting at my desk and I'm going to go through my emails that I have for the day. I've been doing this first thing in the morning and then not touching my email at all until nighttime. So I just check it twice a day. I feel like I just get anxiety from like looking at my email all the time. Time blocking your tasks is a way to just get everything done and have it solid and then move on, which I like to do that. And I got that from Lauren Everett's from the Skinny Confidential. She time blocks a lot of the stuff that she does. And if you just sit down, do it all, get it done, and then you're not having to like remember all these little tedious tasks all day, it's a lot less stressful on you. I'm gonna drink my smoothie and my lemon water and go through all my emails. Okay, now that that's done, I need to go ahead and get ready for work, and I'm gonna finish my smoothie while I do my hair and makeup. So when I get ready for work, the very first thing that I 100% always do is throw my hair up into a ponytail and then get started on my skincare routine. So I am just using my tried and true Derma E Purifying Gel Cleanser and washing my face, and then I just lightly towel dry it. Then I'm going into my skincare fridge and grabbing all the essentials. So the first thing that I do is tone my face with the Daily AHA Cleanse from Ren Skincare. Again, all the products I mentioned will be linked down below. Then I'll just use my Jade Roller, and then I will moisturize. And what I've been using lately for moisturizer is the Glam Glow Moisture Trip daily moisturizer, and I am obsessed with it, y'all. It's been my all-time favorite right now. I mean, it's just been my top favorite that I've been using all the time. So then I'll just throw on a podcast and get started on my makeup. Right now, I'm listening to the I Don't Get It podcast, the Skinny Confidential Him and Her podcast. I love the Armchair Expert. There's so many more. If you guys want me to do a whole video on the podcast I like to listen to, let me know down below. But I just listen to a podcast usually while I do my makeup, and this makeup and hair is basically what I did in my last
get ready with me. So I'll link that down below. The only thing that I didn't do with my hair is put it half up, half down, but I curl it the exact same way that I've done in so many videos. So I will link that get ready with me down below for you guys.
So I just finished doing my hair and makeup, and I'll link down below my recent get ready with me because that is how I curled my hair, and then it's also how I did my makeup. The only thing I didn't do was put my hair half up, half down. But I'm talking fast because I'm kind of running a little late. I feel like this happens every single time I get ready. But I am just going to quickly change my clothes, get out of my PJs, and get going to work. I need to grab my work bag and just book it out the door. This is what I'm wearing just to work. So I have this cheetah shirt on from a store called Maya Star on South Congress in Austin. And then I'm wearing these denim shorts, which are from The Impeccable Pig. And I got them recently, so if they're online, I'll link them down below for you guys. So I'm just gonna leave for work. I'm taking the rest of my smoothie because I didn't finish it. And I gotta get going like really bad.
So once I got to work, I put on my outfit that I was actually going to work in, which is this gorgeous purple romper. And then I'm wearing these shoes from Amazon, which I will link down below. They're under $30. And all of my jewelry is also from my work. And yeah, then I just got to it. I was there for about 6 hours. Sundays are pretty easy, and I'm pretty much always there.
6 hours later.
Alright, so it has been a minute. It's about 6:20 and I am heading out from work. I'm gonna go run home real quick. I need to grab my stuff because I'm spending the night with JT, and I need to drop off like some food from lunch and stuff like that, and like fix my face a little bit before we go on our little date tonight, which I'm really excited about. So I just got home and I changed. I put on my, I call this my baby romper because it kind of looks like a giant baby onesie, but I always wear this out to eat because if I get a food baby, it doesn't show and it's comfy. So I'm just wearing that, and then I have on this cute little cheetah bag that is from The Impeccable Pig. So is this romper. And then I'm wearing these super dope shoes from Reebok that I've posted these on my Instagram before. I like did a sponsorship with them once, and these are so cool. So I have my bag together right here. I'm gonna throw that in my car, throw my computer in my car, and then get on the road. Okay, so I am ready to go, and I'm gonna go ahead and head over to JT's so we can get going because I am getting hungry for dinner, and I'm sure he is too. I need to plug my phone in though. Work was pretty good. It honestly went by so freaking slow, and I was really excited for it to be done, but overall it was a pretty good day. I should be there in about 30-45 minutes, and then me and JT are literally just gonna hop in the car and go straight to Cracker Barrel. It shouldn't be busy because it'll be like 8 p.m. and all the old people who go to Cracker Barrel are probably asleep, so like, I'm also excited because if you guys didn't know, you probably do, but I do school with ASU Online, which is through Arizona State University, and I've been doing summer classes if you've been keeping up with me on my social media, and 2 of my classes that I have been doing just got done last night, so it was so relieving. I like passed accounting and it made me so happy, and I also got a really good grade in my other technology class, so I was like super freaking pumped about that, and it's time to celebrate at Cracker Barrel, I guess. I'm just gonna play some music and drive and pay attention and be safe. Now I just switched cars and I'm with JT, and we're going to go eat because we're freaking hungry. I don't even know what I'm gonna get. Are you getting breakfast or dinner? Dinner. He's gonna get.
I can already tell you exactly what I'm gonna get.
What are you gonna get?
I'm gonna get chicken fried chicken with mac and cheese, green beans, and dumplings.
Yum. Yum.
So good.
I don't know if I want dinner or like breakfast food yet, but we will see.
was really excited that we got to go on a date night and kind of celebrate me being done with half of the semester of summer school, and also JT just really wanted to go to Cracker Barrel, so it was a really awesome, fun day, and I ended up actually getting the fried chicken as well with mac and cheese, fried okra, and green beans, and we had biscuits, and it was just such great Southern home cooking, and I honestly haven't been there in forever, and it was a great treat. So then once we got home, we just played a little bit with the dog. Her name's Gretel. She's so freaking cute, and she's such a good girl. She can do all these little tricks, and we definitely gave her tons and tons of treats. But once we were done playing with her and tucked her into bed, we just went ahead and got ready for bed. I brushed my teeth and did my skincare, of course, and then we just laid down and watched Breaking Bad.
You look cute.
You taking a video? Oh no!
Alright, good night guys. Say good night.
Nice.